to hear us.
Drag it.
What's up? My name is Brandon Began. I'm 17 years old from Bristol, Connecticut, and this is my bike jack. I ran the Volume Drifter Frame 20.4. It's got a nice steep head tube and a short back end. It's good for manuals and nose manuals. I like it a lot. I'm running the new Demolition Concord forks, Crystal Oil Signature. I just got them yesterday, so I haven't really had a chance to ride them much, but so far so good. And I'm also running the new Volume Cougar bars. They're 8.7 tall by 30 wide, but I cut them down to 28 inches. I'm riding the original Animal Jump Off stem, the OG, not the remix, and have an Eastern headset with carbon fiber spacers. For cranks, I'm riding the new Animal Akimbo cranks. They're real beefy, real strong. I haven't had any problems with them so far. I'm riding the new Animal Hamilton plastic pedals, gold. I have a Subrosa sprocket just because I broke my old one, and Eric from Biker's Edge hooked it up. And nitrous chain. And that's attached to a Eastern Venus back wheel with a pop and lock up guard. And I have two Animal Lino G-pegs on the back. For my front wheel, I have a Shadow Raptor laced to an Eastern diode rim. I have a bunch of broken spokes and shit, but I don't really care. I have two Animal Tom Whitewall tires, 2.2. I like them a lot. They grip real nice, but they're not too overly grippy. I have a Demolition DFAT seat attached to an Animal pivotal seat post, and the frame has an integrated seat clamp. Then I got my little trinket guy, E-Bike. And found these yesterday. I like them. Kink bar ends. But yeah, I think that's about it. Shout outs go to Eric at Biker's Edge in Bristol, Connecticut.